Let us now today discuss about derivatives of parametric function. So first of all, we discuss about parametric function. When y to be equal to f of x becomes a function where y can be written as another variable, suppose t, and x also can be written as another variable t. It means that y is function of t, x is function of t, but there is a relation between y and x, it is a function, then this function is called parametric function. And this t is called parameter. So let me discuss about how to calculate derivative of this function. Since y it is given in terms of t and x it is given in terms of t, we differentiate first of all both x and y with respect to that third variable, that is parameter. So we will calculate dy by dt is to be equal to, and similarly dx by dt is to be equal to, and therefore we have to find derivative of function y with respect to x can be written as derivative of function y with respect to t divided by derivative of x with respect to t. This is formula to calculate derivative of parametric function. Here the variable t can be becomes the another variable becomes theta, u, h, like that one. Let me illustrate this with respect to one particular example. If x to be equal to a bracket theta plus sine of theta, y is to be equal to a into bracket 1 minus cos of theta, question is find dy by dx. As like in earlier formula we consider first x and y. So let we have x to be equal to a into theta plus sine of theta, and y is equal to a into 1 minus cos of theta. So we differentiate this with respect to, now as a theta is parameter, with respect to theta we differentiate, and so that this side will becomes dx by d theta. Now as like function y with respect to x or sin x with respect to x is cos x, sin theta with respect to theta is cos theta. Similarly x with respect to x is 1, theta with respect to theta is 1. So similar formulas are used for the theta also, so that a constant as it is by applying rules of derivative. Now derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 plus derivative of sin theta is cos of theta. Now also we can calculate dy by d theta. So this is a derivative of 1 is constant, so derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of cos is minus sine of theta, and so that finally this is minus plus a sine of theta. So we get derivative of x with respect to x and with respect to theta and derivative of, and then we can have the derivative of function y with respect to x as a formula derivative of y with respect to theta divided by derivative of x with respect to theta. This is to be equal to a into sine of theta, which is value of dy by d theta, and this is a 1 plus cos of theta, which is value of dx by theta. A will be cancelled, so answer is sine of theta divided by 1 plus cos of theta. Sometimes you may simplify this by using trigonometric formula. So sine theta can be replaced as 2 sine of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2 by using half angle formula. Similarly 1 plus cos theta, it is 2 cos square of theta by 2. So now again 2 get cancelled, 1 cos get cancelled, sine by cos remaining, so final value is tan of theta by 2. So this may be this most simplified answer of your question, that is derivative of y with respect to x. And so this is nothing but about derivative of parametric function. Here we consider one more example. If x is equal to, suppose, a sec t and y is equal to, suppose, b tan t, find dy by dx. And so we write solution. This is also parametric function where parameter is t. So we start with given values, x to be equal to a sec of t and y to be equal to b tan of t. So we differentiate both x and y with respect to now t as a parameter. So we write dx by dt as like sec x, derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. So we write derivative of sec t with respect to t is sec of t into tan of t. Similarly, dy by dt can be written as b into derivative of tan is sec square of t. And so that derivative of y with respect to x, it is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So we write this one as, what is dy by dt? This is b sec square of t. This is a sec of t into tan of t. And therefore this will be b into sec of t divided by a into tan of t, as one sec t will be cancelled. Similarly, b by a we can take on simply, and sec is 1 divided by cos of t, tan is sin divided by cos of t. When we cos t will be cancelled, b upon a, this is 1 upon sin of t remaining, and 1 by sin can be written as b upon a into cosec of t. So this is nothing but answer of your question, that is derivative of y with respect to x. So this is all about derivatives of parametric function. I hope you could understood the concept of derivative of parametric function. The similar questions you can solve by using the similar method from your text or reference book. Thank you.